What's going on this morning, family? It's your boy Feniks checking in. Just wanted to say something real quick to you about how I network. Majority of the time, I don't really network with homeowners. Um, I try to stay in the field of the commercial and the industrial field. And why is because the industrial and the commercial field knows what it takes to get a job done. They know the equipment, they know gas, they know the concept. But when you're dealing with homeowners, they don't know the concept. They didn't got, in debt getting this nice home. And then when it comes to your labor and what you got to do, your service, they want to try to water you down so that they can save money. In my personal opinion, you should have thought about that when you was buying that house. My charges don't change. It don't change due to your circumstance or your situation. So, that's why I don't network with a lot of homeowners, because homeowners try to belittle, in my eyes, the skills of a tradesman, of a journeyman. So if you need things done, it costs money. And if you want me to take my time, 3 or 4 hours, to figure out how to do your project, I'm gonna charge you for that, man. That's time. So when you're dealing with these contractors, when you're dealing with these homeowners, let it be known what you charge. Let it be known what your fees are. And then, if it ain't worth it, don't mess with it. But I'm going to tell you this for a fact. All money is not good money. So don't go jumping on all these calls you get dealing with these different homeowners, and then you get headaches and not getting paid and dealing with stress and having to go back, and they ain't satisfied and go back. Nah. Over some BS. Only because they can do that to you. You know what I'm saying? Um, because they feel like you need them. Nah, you need us. Hold on.